In this video, we will show you how to replace your front side transmission mount on this Honda Accord. This will be located inside of your wheel well. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing you want to do is safely raise and support the front of your vehicle. To gain access to the mount, you could make your way underneath the front bumper just along the front of your wheel. This could be easiest if you had the wheel turned towards the left, or if you went ahead and removed all 5 of your 19mm lug nuts and then the wheel. Let's remove the wheel. Now we have a clear view of our forward transmission mount. Let's put some support underneath that transmission. Once you have support underneath the transmission, make your way back into that wheel well area. We're looking at the mount. You'll find that you have 2 12mm headed bolts holding the mount to the transmission. Let's remove the pair. Inspect that mounting hardware as you remove it, replace it as necessary. Now let's make our way under the subframe. We're looking for 4 14mm mounting nuts. Let's remove all of those. 2 are for the front mount and 2 are for the rear. Once you have those out of place, we can continue on, carefully jacking up the transmission. We only want to go enough that we can remove the mount. With the transmission jacked up, we can continue on to carefully reaching inside this area. We'll take hold of that mount. You should be able to flex it just enough that you can pull it up and out. There it is, friend. The next thing you want to do is clean and inspect the mounting area on the transmission and on the subframe of the vehicle. After that, continue on to installing your brand new transmission mount. We'll slide this into place. Let's try to get those studs aligned in the subframe. You want to drop right down. Now the next thing we'll do is either raise or lower the transmission as needed to align those 2 mounting bolt holes. Starting your mounting bolts, snug them up, and then torque those to 33 foot-pounds. Remove the support from under your transmission. Along the bottom of the subframe, we'll continue on with our 4 14mm mounting nuts. We want to make sure we start these in along each one of those mounts. Snug them up, torque those to 33 foot-pounds. Let's reinstall that wheel. Start on all 5 of your 19mm lug nuts. Bottom them out. We'll get the wheel safely back on the ground. Then we can torque each of these to 80 foot-pounds. With the wheel on the ground, we'll torque these in a crisscross manner. Torqued. Okay friends, we've got our vehicle back together. At this point, go ahead and take it for a road test, listen for any funny noises. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.